The weekly program of Rotary International District 3291. Rotary Newsline, your window to the Rotary world, is about to start.
8 billion people in the world. 1.2 million Rotarians for them. 100 years of service to mankind. Welcome to the new century.
There comes a time when you need to spare a thought, when you need to care, when you need to feel the pain and need to breathe a prayer. There comes a time when you need to open gates, when you need to take a step, when you need to say the words and you need to vow to share. There comes a time when you need to build a bridge, when you need to face a storm, when you need to forge ahead and need to stand strong against the echoes of the rain. You hear the cries of a brother in pain. You know it's time to hold a hand. Let him know there's a friend. Rotary is your friend.
Rotary Newsline, your window to the Rotary world. Rotary events, Rotary happenings, Rotary icons at their best. Brought to you by the Rotary District 3291. Rotary Newsline, your window to the Rotary world.
Rotary Newsline, Rotary Newsline.
District Conference 2012. The inaugural ceremony of the District Conference 2012, aptly named as Ananda Mela, was held on 6th January 2012 at Nazrul Moncho. The tune of the program was beautifully set up at the very beginning by a dance recital based on the famous song Mile Sur Mera Tumhara, which was presented in 14 Indian languages. 14 young dancers, clad in typical provincial dresses, enchanted the packed auditorium by their ecstatic movements on stage, supported by other equally eloquent performers. An aroma of joy started to flow from the very beginning, which lasted till the end.
बरसे हल्के हल्के मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा वट बनिए सांतल
तेरा सुर मिले मेरे सुर दे नाल, मिलके बने एक नवा सुरताल। मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा। सागर में मिले
बदला दारू फुलके
बरसन होले होले।
இசைந்தா நம் இருவரும் சுரமும் நமதாகும் திசை வேறானாலும் ஆழிசேர் ஆறுகள் முகிலாய் மழையாய் பொழிவது போல் இசை நம் இசை ನನ್ನ ದನಿಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ದನಿಯ
ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದನಿಯ
నా స్వరము నీ స్వరము സംഗമമായി മനസ്സരംഗ അവതരിഞ്ചി നിന്റെ സ്വരവും നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്വരവും ഒത്തുചേർന്നു നമ്മുടെ സ്വരമായി তোমার সুর মোদের সুর
সৃষ্টি করু কই কসুর তোমার সুর মোদের সুর সৃষ্টি করু কই কসুর সৃষ্টি হো কই কোতান তোমারা স্বরর মিলন সৃষ্টি
করি চালু চালু
મળે સૂર જો તારો મારો બને આપણો સૂર નિરાળો माझ्या तुमच्या जुळता तारा मधुर सुरांच्या बरसती धारा सुर की नदियाँ हर दिशा से बहके सागर में बादलों का रूप लेके बरसे हल्के हल्के हो मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा ओ सुर बने हमारा
Then R.I.D. Shekhar Mehta and his spouse Rashi, guest of honor Brahmakumari Shilu, chief guest Sam Okudzeto from Ghana and his wife Priscilla, and others lighted the lamp with chanting of Veda mantra Shahanavo Bhatu, Shahanau Bhunaktu in an atmosphere of serenity. The welcome address was then delivered by Topun Roy Chaudhuri.
ॐ सहना भवतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं कार्वावहै तेजस्विनामधितमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ सहना भवतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं कार्वावहै तेजस्विनामधितमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः.
Silence for 1 minute was observed in memory of deceased Rotarians, after which D.G. Yongshuman in his speech had termed the conference as a conference of joy and merriment and expressed his hope that all would enjoy the program.
We have tried to present to you the conference of joy in a different way. every year you attend this conference at this Nojul Mancho. I'm sure this year, when you have entered the auditorium, you have find something different. We have tried to give it a look, on an international look, with the details of all the past Rotary International presidents, along with their photos, their themes. And when, after this inaugural session, you will go out and will enjoy the fellowship area, I'm sure, again, you will feel that little personal touch that our entire team 2011-12, they have presented to you. The program, I'm sure by this time, you all is having a copy of the program that we are having. I'm sure you will find each and every session from tomorrow till Sunday evening equally important, and you all will be there to listen to the eloquent and eminent speakers, and also the fun and enjoyment and the cultural program that we have designed for you in the evening. Friends, please enjoy your conference, Ananda Mela, the conference of joy. I once again welcome you all to this great 3 days that we will be able to enjoy together. Thank you very much. Enjoy the conference.
Then it was the turn of R.I.D. Shekhar Mehta, who in his excellent manner started his speech with a sher and said that the Rotary all over the world, especially in India, was passing through a golden era as services were being propagated to humanities in a large scale. He, however, expected that although a lot was being done for people, yet there should not be any complacence, as there was much more to achieve.
कदम पे मिलेगी तुम्हें कामयाबी, बस सितारे चुनने के समय ज़मीं को मत छोड़ना. I'm sure you'll keep your feet firmly in ground when you want to go and touch the stars. The conference will also be our opportunity to do a SWOT analysis. What are our strengths? Some weaknesses? Great opportunities lie ahead of us. Minimal threats. But while you are doing the SWOT analysis, don't do it like a friend of mine. Somebody asked him, what's your SWOT analysis? He said, you know what my strength is? He said, what's your strength? He said, my wife. What's your weakness? Neighbor's wife. Your opportunity when the neighbor's away, and the threat when I am away. Ongshu, I hope that's not your SWOT analysis. Friends, each one of us at this conference has an opportunity not only to enjoy, but to recharge our batteries. This is our opportunity to rededicate ourselves. Think what we are going to do ahead. If this is the golden era of Rotary in the world, and especially in India, where are your golden letters that you are going to write in the history of District 3291? Ongshu, we've achieved a lot, but a lot still remains to be achieved. And let me end with this quote. Too much Hindi today, but I thought let me finish it this way. Zindagi ki asal udan abhi baki hai. Zindagi ki asal udan abhi baki hai. Zindagi ke kahi imtihan abhi baki hai. अभी तो नापी है आपने मुट्ठी भर ज़मीं, आगे अभी सारा जहां बाकी है. Thank you.
Then PDG Shopun Mukherjee introduced the guest of honor, Brahma Kumari Shilu.
And most sacred lady to the August gathering, I am sure that we will all receive the spiritual touch of her today.
She, in turn, explained the dire necessity to reach within oneself to discover the purpose of life, which would help to bring peace, love, happiness, instead of conflict and hatred, which the humanity is passing through. She praised the Rotarians who were doing a stupendous job for people at large. She was then felicitated by the First Lady Joya and others. After this, Rotarian Noyantara Pal Chaudhuri introduced RIPR Sam Okudzeto. Sam informed the audience that he was a student of history and was acquainted with Calcutta since long when he was going through the British colonial history. He also said that people joined Rotary to serve and not for gain. He praised Rotarians of India for extending services to Africa and other faraway places as well. IPDG Raju and spouse Shashi were introduced by DG Angshuman, who thanked them for their selfless and everlasting contribution and attached a golden lapel pin with a diamond embodied on it. After this, all past district governors were felicitated one by one, and they joined in a chorus song, Amra Shobai Raja, led by the First Lady Joya. Rotarian Uttam Ganguly declared the end of the inaugural session and began the cultural performances by K.K. Ghoshal. The stage was next given to Vinod Rathore.
Rotary Newsline, Rotary Newsline.
There was a district program for End Polio on 15th January 2012, which was conducted by Rotarian Sopon Paul, the polio chairman, and Rotarian Kolopi Dotto, the polio coordinator. Rotarian Indu of Rotary Club of Behala was also involved in the program of giving polio drops in various centers at Koshba Police Station and various other police stations. In Ward number 14 at Ultodanga, conducted by Rotary Club of Salt Lake Metropolitan. In Ward 13 at Calcutta Municipal Corporation, Malaria Clinic conducted by Rotary Club of Salt Lake Greenfield. At Horidepur Police Station, organized by Rotary Club of Calcutta Nobodigonto. And at Alipur Zoo, conducted by Rotary Club of Calcutta Northwest.
Rotary Newsline.
এই বাড়িতে শিশুকে পোলিওর ওষুধ দেওয়া হয়েছে। এই বাড়িতে শিশুকে পোলিওর ওষুধ দেওয়া হয়নি। মাত্র 2 ফোঁটা পোলিওর ওষুধ জীবন বদলে দিতে পারে। আজই আপনার শিশুকে পোলিওর ওষুধ খাওয়ান।
Rotary Club of Calcutta, New Alipur. The villagers of Lakhya Bagan, a remote locality at Sundarbon, gave an overwhelming welcome to the members of Rotary Club of Calcutta, New Alipur.
অপেক্ষা করালাম আমরা না, হ্যাঁ।
It was because the club had changed the picture of the Ayla-stricken village by starting a school. 20 children were being given free education along with midday meal. A building has been constructed which would be inaugurated on 12th of February. The club had also installed 2 solar lamps in the village and on the day of the visit had distributed blankets to old people. Toys, biscuits and toffees were distributed to the children. In response to the request of the ladies of the village to provide them with some help for self-employment, the club president, Sri Prakash Bagla, had assured to arrange microcredit for them.
Rotary Newsline.
Rotary Club of Calcutta, Ridge. There was a thatched hut serving as a school at Paruldaha, a remote village where the Rotary Club Calcutta Ridge had built a beautiful new classroom building which was inaugurated by the head Swamiji of the Ramakrishna Mission Nimpit. The school, Ramakrishna Shishu Vidyapith, was installed at Paruldaha Ramakrishna Vivekananda Ashram. The club had also organized a sports day for the children of the village. Solar lights also had been installed by the club and blankets were distributed to the villagers. A health camp was organized on the same day. The children of the school are also being provided with midday meal.
Every week, the Rotary Newsline team would present a quiz where 4 visuals will be shown on the screen. You just have to identify the visuals and SMS the answers to Rotary Newsline number 923914136A. The first SMS with all correct answers will be entitled to a Rotary Newsline Quiz Award at a special awards night. SMS the answers with your name details. Now let us watch today's Rotary Newsline quiz visuals. Visual 1. Visual 2. Visual 3. Visual 4.
The winner of the last quiz contest is Rotalet Niranjan Roy, son of Santi Ranjan Roy of Rotary Club of Kasipur.
Rotary News Line.
And activities of district and various other clubs.
Rotary News Line.
The Rotary International Convention 2012 will be held at Bangkok from 6th to 9th May 2012. The registration form may be downloaded from the website www.rotary.org. Repeat, www.rotary.org. Filled up and sent to RI South Asia Office, New Delhi. For news and updates, please visit our district website www.rotary3291.org. You may also visit our Facebook page from our district website. All our archive videos of Rotary Newsline can be accessed from our district homepage through YouTube.
To showcase your club's projects or events, kindly intimate our Rotary Newsline Chairman, Rotarian Deep Kumar Mitra of Rotary Club of Calcutta, Chanak City at 92391 41368 to send the Rotary Newsline camera team, or send your DVDs and stills in soft copy form with detailed report to the District Governor's Office or to Rotarian Deep Kumar Mitra at mdevkumar@yahoo.com.
There comes a time when you need to spare a thought, when you need to care, when you need to feel the pain and need to breathe a prayer. There comes a time when you need to open gates, when you need to take a step, when you need to say the words and you need to vow to share.
Rotary